For the majority of central Texas, this is where the biggest impacts will be. The Brazos Valley still going with the winter storm watch. That's because that's the Houston office. I do expect that to change later on today, either upgraded to a winter weather advisory or a winter storm warning. This morning, all we're dealing with is that fog and even a couple of showers out there currently towards Hillsborough, Corsicana, also up towards Burnett. We have a cold front to the north. This is our Arctic front now spilling through Oklahoma, and by this evening, it'll be approaching central Texas, bringing that colder air with it. Behind it, winds will gust 15 to 25 miles per hour. Our precipitation will start off as rain today, but then transition to freezing rain and sleet overnight and into the morning, and temperatures will bottom out in the teens, 20s, and 30s as this Arctic blast rolls through. Let's go ahead and show you what this looks like on Future Track, our highest resolution in-house model right now, because it has sped things up overnight. That means an earlier arrival of the colder air and potentially an earlier start for some of the freezing precipitation. Again, today it's going to be all rain. We will see the winds start to shift in the afternoon as that front comes through, and that's when temperatures will start to fall. So our high is probably going to be around 55, 56 degrees. It'll be a chilly day regardless. It's just this will be a cold rain falling. When that starts to change is once we get past tonight into the overnight hours. That's when I expect some of our northern counties to fall below freezing. This may be a little fast, but after midnight tonight, that's when we could start to see impacts across some of our northern counties. Question will be, how fast does that cold air reach Waco, Temple, Killeen? Our in-house computer model now suggests that could happen before the time you wake up in the morning. And if we get down to 29 like this by morning, this will start icing. So we could potentially now get in on that first round that we were looking like we may avoid. That's not good for our ice accumulations. We expect more to come in here overnight. That's when we could see another round of freezing rain, now starting to mix with sleet as the atmosphere cools there overnight, Saturday into Sunday. And that will likely be when we see the heaviest precipitation. There's even the chance we could see what's called thundersleet within this as that moves through. And then eventually this all starts to come to an end by Sunday. Here's my latest thinking on what to expect here by throughout the day, Saturday and into Sunday. I think Saturday morning now, I've moved that freezing rain line down, does get it down into Waco, Temple, Killeen. All rain for the Brazos Valley. Saturday during the day, freezing rain, but starting to mix at times with sleet. The Brazos Valley likely stays all rain. And then Saturday night, this is going to be mainly a sleet mix across Waco, Temple, Killeen, with freezing rain expected across the Brazos Valley. And there is even the potential as we get into Sunday morning that we could see some light snow start to mix in.